Push notifications are a great channel to engage your audience and drive traffic to your website. In fact, it is a must-have tool for publishers to build their audience and reduce their dependencies on search engines. Published a new article? Instead of waiting for Google to index and rank it for people to visit your website, push notifications are a gateway for the audience to read your latest posts. However, we all do know the problem with push notifications, right? They get increasingly unsophisticated, spammy, and are overall annoyance to your readers. I will discuss how to automate your push notifications the right way. I have seen hundreds of publishers implement push notifications and have carefully crafted the best practices for getting this right. Hope this helps you. I will, of course, await your comments and questions to take the discussion forward. Let's start with an automated push notification that you can set up to welcome a subscriber. This trigger-based welcome push notifications can be set up to automatically push a notification to your reader when they just subscribe to your publication. Other than simply thanking them for subscribing, you can also add a link to your latest news or a link to the trending section to help them catch up with the latest video. So the first way is a trigger-based push notification, which can be set up to automatically send a notification to your reader just when they subscribe to your publication. Other than simply thanking them for subscribing, you can also add a link to your latest news or a link to the trending section to say help them catch up with your latest video. This way, you can drive new subscribers to either the latest or the trending section of your website. Now, the second method is a more advanced version of the welcome push notification workflow. Now, it's something I call the welcome notification drip. So the trigger for this drip workflow remains the same. However, notifications are sent for a longer period of time. I'll give you a small example on how I would use this drip feature. When a reader subscribes to my publication, I would send them a welcome message in 5 minutes with a link to the trending news on my website. After 4 to 5 hours, I will send them a push notification to follow my publication on social media. On the next day, an automated notification of the latest news, and that would be the end of the drip. Push notification providers such as Izuto, OneSignal, PushEngage, and more allow you to set automated welcome push notifications. Most of these providers also include this in the free plan, so don't miss out on making the most of this. The third way is automating it for your subscribers using RSS push notifications. Now, this is the most basic type of push notification automation where it sends a notification of the latest article that shows up on your RSS feed. So for example, if you are a WordPress-based publisher, your RSS feed would be available on your website URL/RSS. Simply feed this to your push notification provider and it will start sending notifications without needing any manual intervention. Most providers will use the article title and the meta description in the push notification, while some others will also use, say, the site title and the article title as well. If you aren't looking at sending push notifications manually, this is one way of automating it. However, do keep in mind that this automation will send one notification for every article published, and it's better suited for websites that publish 1 to 2 articles on a daily basis. If your publication frequency is too high, you will likely spam your subscribers by enabling this feature. Setting up a recurring notification for your subscribers is another automation. Here, you can set a notification to be sent to your readers every day at a set time. I'll explain this with an example. Say you have an astrology section on your news website that updates every day. You can set recurring notifications with that URL every morning to be sent to your subscribers. I'll give you another example. Say you cover sports and have a section with the schedule of the tournament. You can set recurring notifications to be sent at set intervals based on the frequency of the event. So if you are a publisher that offers a subscription to readers, this point is crucial for you. You can use push notifications to recover subscription abandonment. I'm sure you've seen people clicking to opt for your subscription only to leave the process midway. And push notifications can help you nudge the user to complete the subscription process. You can also create a notification drip by automating a notification the next day. While you are at it, just sweeten the deal by throwing in a discount code. I'm sure that'll help. Most push notification providers offer this automation in their paid plans. Attention spans are dwindling and people are constantly switching between multiple tabs on the browser. If you're watching this video on a computer, I'm sure you have multiple tabs open right now. The automated push notification that I'm going to talk about will help you get readers back to your website. If a reader browses your website and switches tabs, this automated notification will be pushed to their browser to bring them back. I've spoken to a few publishers that have used this automation, and some have seen as much as 10% of visitors coming back to their website. Having a large subscriber base is good, but it's more important to have a large share of active subscribers. Push notifications can be a great way to re-engage subscribers who aren't interacting with your notifications. For example, you can set up an automated push notification campaign to go out at the end of every month to unengaged or your dormant subscribers. This can contain a link to your opinion section for readers to read fresh content with a different perspective. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.